Welcome to the first lesson in the Sensors and Digital Circuits course from CERN Sandbox. In this video, we'll show you how to wire the KY-020 tilt switch to your Arduino Uno. Follow along with the diagram and watch the step-by-step wiring to get started. To build this circuit, we'll need 5 220 ohm resistors and 5 LEDs in any color. We'll also need a KY-020 tilt switch module. If you don't have the module, you can use a simple 2-leg ball switch instead, along with a 10,000 ohm resistor. Let's start by inserting the KY-020 module into the breadboard. Next, insert the 5 LEDs. Place the shorter leg, the cathode, into the negative power rail, and the longer leg, the anode, into any row on the breadboard. Now insert one leg of a 220 ohm resistor into the same row as each LED. Then insert the other leg into any row on the opposite side of the breadboard divider. Be gentle but firm when inserting the resistor legs. Make sure they're securely connected, but try not to bend them out of shape. Next, connect a black jumper wire from any ground pin, marked GND, on the Arduino Uno to the negative power rail on the breadboard. Then, use a red wire to connect the 5-volt pin on the Arduino Uno to the positive power rail, or directly to the 5-volt pin on the KY-020 module. Connect the 5-volt pin of the KY-020, marked with a plus symbol, to the positive power rail on the breadboard, and the ground pin, marked with a negative symbol, to the negative power rail. It's a good idea to use red wires for power and black wires for ground. You may have noticed that the LEDs are connected to the negative power rail, but we haven't connected that rail to the GND pin on the microcontroller yet. Let's connect the two rails together now. Next, we'll connect the signal pin of the KY-020, marked with an S, to pin number 3 on the Arduino Uno. Now connect the LEDs in sequence, starting with pin number 7 on the Arduino Uno. Since we're using 5 LEDs, we'll start with pin number 7. Each LED will connect to the next pin in sequence, so that's pins 7 through 11 in this case. If you don't have a KY-020 module, you can use a simple 2-leg tilt switch instead. Connect one leg to ground, and the other leg to a 10,000 ohm resistor, then to pin number 3. If you don't have either, and you're thinking of using a mercury switch, are you crazy? We don't use mercury switches. They're dangerous and should be avoided. That's it for this wiring video. In the next video, we'll walk through the code and explain how it works step by step. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.